welcome back to What the Face, and what the heck is going on here? Well, I have to upgrade my Mac's memory, and the only way to do this is to take it all apart, because this is from 2012, and the way they built these Macs is it's not really to the average person to install RAM. You have to take the entire machine apart in order to do so. So right now I use this guitar pick like device, and I had to scrape this all the way around to break the seal, to break off this. This is the actual display, and you can see the display right there. So with that, now I have to take off the rest of the logic board, remove all kinds of components. Basically all this has to be removed just to get to the RAM that is right here. So let me go ahead and do that, and wish me luck. So as you can see, the Mac is all apart, and I got the RAM out of the unit. So I'm going to be placing the RAM back in, and then assembling it and turning it back on and see if we have something. So if there's no video next week, you know why. I'll talk to you later. As you can see, we have to take off the adhesive. Now, this is all taken off of right here. It's all gone. But this is what it looks like when it's still on. So what I have to do is I have to use a special tool. I have to scrape this out with this tool and peel it up, and then reapply a 3M strip all around the perimeter of the iMac. And that would then allow me to place the display flush against this casing and seal it up. So that's the only thing I have left to do. I've already plugged it in and tested it, and I do have the appropriate amount of RAM now that I installed, so everything is fine. And it'll be back in business in about 10 to 15 minutes. So everything is fine. Everything worked out. We got the RAM in. Everything is good. So I just wanted to let you see this desk. Back in 1980s, can't remember the actual date, but it's in the mid to late 80s. I worked for a company called the Byte Shop, and it was in Merrick, right off of Sunrise Highway, and I worked there for many years, about 7, and I was in the IT department there. And when I left, I asked the owner if I could buy a desk, and he said sure, you know. And this was the desk that I purchased. It is, believe it or not, the only Mac table or Mac desk that I've ever come across, and I can show you the proof, because in the corner of this desk is the logo for the desk. Now Apple must have sold these, you know, at one time, but I've never seen them on eBay or anything like that. So I think this might be a collector's item of some sort. And if anybody knows the value, or just wants to tell me what they think it's worth, let me know. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.